Hey fellow investors and fellow stock guardians, it's Tuesday, April 13th, 2021. I'm Hoda, co-founder and CEO of StockGuard, reporting to you from a mixed stock market. Today I looked into the stock market indices first, dug into Coinbase's S1 document in anticipation of its direct listing on the Nasdaq stock exchange tomorrow, and introduced you to a few stock tickers that would allow you to invest in the cryptocurrencies without directly investing in them. The Nasdaq index had a good day, the other two indices not so much. Investors got worried after the US put a hold on the Johnson & Johnson vaccine to review the blood clot cases. Also, as we discussed yesterday, the Consumer Price Index report came out today, and the inflation rate for the 12 months ending March was slightly higher than expected, hovering around 2.6%. While that's an inflation rate above the Fed's target, if you exclude highly volatile price increases due to things like energy or food prices, the inflation rate jump goes down to 1.6%. That's why we don't see a widespread panic. The inflation rate is still around the Fed's target, and investors' anxiety about out-of-control inflation rate hasn't yet materialized. Overall, the news wasn't that good, and that's why, aside from Nasdaq, the other two indices finished the day either in the red or barely moving. There's so much excitement about Coinbase, ticker COIN, direct listing on Nasdaq stock exchange tomorrow. Coinbase is the main cryptocurrency exchange that most individuals, institutionals, and corporate investors like Tesla and MicroStrategy use to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Once available for trading, this is a way for most retail investors to play in the cryptocurrency space without directly investing in cryptocurrencies. That's why the excitement is bubbling up minute by minute in the market. The company's stock card is already available if you search Coinbase or ticker COIN. However, like all newly publicly traded companies, there isn't much operational data available to gauge the quality of the company's operations. For that, we need to go to the company's investor relation page and read through their S1 documents. I watched some of the content Coinbase has provided on their investor relation website. The company has grown its user base to more than 43 million verified email addresses, which is impressive. The part I'm interested in, however, is Coinbase business model and how the company makes money and whether it is a sustainable business model. Currently, Coinbase makes money when users like you and I or Tesla or MicroStrategy trade cryptocurrencies. On average, they charge around 1.4% from you and I and about 10 basis points from large institutions and corporations. While the fees are quite attractive now, most skeptics believe, like many other exchanges, the fee revenue would shrink over the years as more competitors offer similar trading platforms. It seems Coinbase plans to introduce a slew of services in response to that skepticism. For example, Coinbase allows large crypto holders to earn a yield on their holdings and get a cut of the yield. Overall, Coinbase seems to be an excellent way to play in the cryptocurrency space without dealing with the volatility of the currencies themselves. We have to watch and see how this direct listing pans out tomorrow as the stock becomes available for trading on the Nasdaq stock exchange. This is most likely one of the most volatile stocks in the stock market for the next little while. Speaking of high growth stocks, one StockCard's partner, Dr. Alex Go, just published his portfolio on the stock pick page on the StockCard platform. Alex's strategy is to find the next 10xer stocks. Companies with relatively smaller market cap with rapidly growing revenue that have the potential to grow by 10 times in the next few years. Alex is the investor behind Family Investments YouTube channel, if you have seen him before. To find and follow his portfolio and see his stock picks, search for Alex Go or the next 10xer stocks in the search bar on the left-hand side of the stock pick page on the platform. Let's wrap up today's episode with another company in the cryptocurrency market. Grayscale Investment Trusts are several tickers you can find and invest in cryptocurrencies without directly investing in cryptocurrencies. For example, type in Grayscale in the search bar on StockCard and you can see several Grayscale tickers show up. Each of these Grayscale tickers is an investment trust that uses its funds to invest in either individual cryptocurrencies or a mix of multiple ones. Institutional or eligible individual investors can invest in these trusts and purchase shares of the overall company, which means investing in cryptocurrencies without investing in cryptocurrencies. Take Grayscale Litecoin, ticker LTCN. It has had an excellent run in the last few days since the beginning of the April after it launched 5 new investment trusts to enable a more diversified portfolio of investments. Just like Coinbase, these Grayscale Trust tickers are highly volatile investment opportunities for those of us who want to diversify into cryptocurrencies without investing in them directly. Just don't forget about the minimum 2% management fee the company charges you to give you some security and stability despite investing in cryptocurrencies. That's it for today. Don't forget to reserve your spot for Friday's meet and greet session using the link in the show notes. I'll be meeting with fellow Stockcardians every Friday to discuss the tips and tricks of using a StockCard platform in your investment research. And as always, if you'd like to give a StockCard a try, research as many stocks as you want and receive a stock pick ideas from successful investors such as Dr. Alex Ko that we discussed today. Sign up for a 14-day free trial with promo code ROLL with our CEO, all lowercase and in one word. That's it for today. If you like these quick market recap reports directly from my daily stock market research, please like and subscribe and share with your fellow investors. See you tomorrow.